Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim Gidi and I bring you everything from beauty to money moves. Anyways, let's get to the video. So by now you probably have seen the title of the video as a Temu haul free gifts tutorial. Something along those lines. This is the parcel it came in, and in total it's 8 gifts. You choose your own gifts, but I'll get into details with that. The only thing I paid for was the customs, which was 100 and something, but I will say to the nearest 100 it was a 200 rands. So I didn't pay shipping, I didn't pay for the items, I only paid for the customs, and we pay for the customs due to SARS laws or whatsoever when you shop international, and they are not predictable. So I can't say this is the amount you're gonna pay. You can pay any amount. Sometimes it's 50 rands, sometimes it's 150, sometimes it's way less or way more, but just know you pay customs, and that's the only thing you pay for. You don't pay for the shipping, you don't pay for the items. So in total I have 8 gifts. For the thumbnail, I will leave the link for this game or whatsoever it's called on my description box, so you can go and click and see what happens. So the first thing that you will see when you get that link is to see those different items. Obviously there's gonna be like certain steps, but it's unnecessary. You will see all the different items they have to offer, and then when you just choose your top 8 items and you add your address, and then they're gonna calculate all different amounts of the different items, but usually it amounts to the same amount. I don't know why, but okay. So once it gets to that 2,000 rands, they're gonna say share this or do those things up until they say you have 200 rands left. And once you have 200 rands left, they're gonna say you need to share with your friends. Now here's the thing, when you share with your friends, it should be friends who have never ever downloaded Temu on their phones, who do not have Temu accounts at all. Otherwise it's gonna count as an existing user, but you can share your link with 4 or 5 existing users, but that's the maximum. I think it's 4 or 5. The maximum is between 4 or 5, but with new users you can share, I think, about 15 or 14 new users in order for you to actually get those gifts. So each and every time you share with a new user, they click on your link, they register, they choose their gifts. At that amount they have told you about, that 200 rands, it's gonna decrease each and every time. Maybe now it's like on 150, you invite someone else, it goes down, maybe to 140, it goes down up until it's R0. What qualifies as a new user, it's someone who has never downloaded the app on their phone. So if the person has downloaded the app on their phone, they do not qualify as a new user. They already an existing user, whether they had an account or they didn't. If they have downloaded, then they don't qualify as a new user. If the person has an account on Temu or Temu, whichever way you pronounce it, then that qualifies as an existing user, not a new Basically user. You just share your link, you invite your friends, and that's it, and then you get your gifts. You pay for customs, and like I said in the beginning of the video, customs are different. It's not the same amount each and Let's try this on. And also, one thing I realized is with this Temu gifts, you choose the best items and then you start sharing your link. Oh, also you are given, I think, 24 hours to get people to click on your link. If they don't click on your link up until that amount is equal to R0, then you won't get your gifts. So what was I saying? I was saying when people, when you are ready and prepared, I'm saying you are ready and prepared in terms of you have chosen the best items that are available there, people won't click on your link. I don't know why people won't click on your link, but as soon as you have like the craziest things on your gifts, what on your gifts list, people will start clicking on your link. I don't know what makes that. This is how it looks. This is the top. I love it now because of the saying God's faith. But now it looks like over time these things are gonna stretch out because I have big boobs. I don't know. Because I have big boobs. Problem is the boobs. But this is the top I got with that Jay-Z look-alike. I don't know what's the name of it. And then I am also wearing the pants. But now, this is an extra large. And it seems as if, I think it's because I'm tall. I should have gotten an extra large. 2X. Is it 2XL? Yeah, 2XL. Because it's a bit short. Cakey. Can you still see? Can you see? You see, this is another reason I would say it's not that I gained weight, like for this to be small. So if you want to buy this, please size up because it's a bit tight. You see this one, it's really not that tight, but it's the same size because it's an extra large. Is it? Yeah, it is. It's an extra large. And now this is this cute pajama. I don't know, I always buy these sets, but funny thing is I don't sleep with pajamas on. I don't sleep with pajamas on. So and that in fact. But this is how it looks. Like, it looks so cute. It looks so cute. Look at the details. What do you mean these are pajamas? By now, if you don't know my favorite color and you've been on this page for the longest, like you can see, pink is my favorite. Pink. Like pink is my favorite color, and it has been for the very long time. Ever since I was young, I liked pink. And I have been looking for a shirt that actually fits. This other time, one of the gifts I got with this shirt was this shirt. But I don't know, was it an extra large or what? It's an extra large, but it doesn't fit this one. It doesn't fit at all. And this one fits perfectly. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. Oh, Tuesday morning when we go back to work. I'm wearing this, definitely. Because why not? And then we also have this. I love this. You can wear it in every way you wanna wear it. I love it. And then the other two items that I don't have to fit, it's underwears, 3 of them. They actually fit. It's also in an extra large. They fit perfectly. Like, I love this. I love this. And then I also got some lashes. Last time I got these lashes and they were not this fluffy. These ones look so fluffy. I will try to install them and install them with you, but I'm not quite sure about the glue that I have. But so those are the 8 items. And there's this one where I got these gifts by sharing my link. There is also another one where you can actually get credit and go buy whatever you want to buy, but I feel like it's more or less the same, and because you also have to refer in order for you to get those credits, and it's like the same honestly, but with gifts you choose what you want, and then with this credit one you just share your link and then you get your credit. And I will be sure to leave it on the description box as well, so if you're interested on that as well, please join. Just to sum it all up, I am quite happy with almost everything. The only thing I didn't like are the pens, because on the website, on the page, why am I saying website, on the app, they looked way longer. So now I initially thought Uguti, it's gonna be longer. I think each and every time I get these gifts that have pens in them, they short, like they always cut short. I don't know whether I'm tall or what, but when you look at the pictures on the app, they look quite good. So I'm very confused with that. Next time I just won't select those pens or any other pens. Anyways, if you have watched up until this end, please comment with a heart so that I know you watched the whole thing. Please comment with a heart. Just drop a like, just drop a heart comment on the comment section so that I know you liked or you watched this. You don't, yeah, I'm blabbing, like I'm speaking too much now. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you sticked up until this end, please don't forget to drop those hearts on the comment section so that I know who are my followers, who my true subscribers are. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't, because what are you waiting for, baby? What are you waiting for? Anyways, see you next time. Bye.